Now what you can expect from this channel are vlogs from me,
food adventures with both of us,
and our life as an interracial couple in Singapore.
Oh dear, looks like we're setting up for a bad joke.
Make sure to subscribe and look out for new videos every week.
Comment below and let us
Maybe there should have been a joke there. Hello and welcome to this microtuber review. I'm the tuber reviewer and this is Pooja and Robbie. I normally want a video link specifically, not a channel link, but this brings up a good talking point. This banner. First, please go to Adobe Color. Whilst picking the color you want, keep in mind that it needs to go with white, because that's the primary color of YouTube. Well, I'm just going to pick your latest, but first, try to pose things as a question that will intrigue the viewer. Instead of Grandma reacts to Bollywood, change it to something more like, what do Koreans think of Bollywood? Or, what Koreans think of Bollywood?
Grandma, have you ever watched Bollywood movies?
Stop! Mise en scène. I can't stress this enough. 2. Video consists of video and audio components.
Welcome to our channel!
For the first part, do what I've done. Set up at least a small space for filming. And then pick a jumper that doesn't make your grandma look like an invalid. Please, it's the least you could do for that sweet old lady. For the audio, sound padding does work. But if you don't want people to come into your room and say, oh my, you must have millions of subscribers on YouTube. How many do you have? There are other steps you can use to mitigate this. One is to get a better microphone. Maybe for you, a Rode mic or a Zoom H1 pointed at you would be good. But also have big wooden furniture with lots of geometry. This will help the sound bounce around a lot whilst being absorbed by the wood before it makes its way back to you. Me? I'm just lazy.
Grandma, you were saying earlier that he looks like me.
Yeah, that's not like me too because that was silent.
Having your audio recorded in a not so compressed way will also make it clearer, as I could barely understand her. You know what? Bacon your subs, like Sugar Pine 7 used to do maybe.
Very what?
Robust.
Robust.
Robbie cannot be him.
Oh no!
Because there's not a whole lot engaging here unfortunately, get creative to keep the viewer engaged. Maybe stick in a Big Bang clip here.
Very what?
Robust.
Robust.
Robbie cannot be him.
Bazinga!
I don't think you like your husband to do like you. So, you better hide under the bed.
I'm sorry, but that is unintelligible and that makes this video not worth watching. Therefore, it gets like a 2 out of 10 for me. You do have a short intro, which is good, but the color doesn't really match anything? When doing your set design for the mise en scène, try to keep your colors fashionable and make sure that the channel art matches your background. Otherwise, it's just jarring. If you ever do a reaction video again, maybe pick something that's actually elaborate, something to properly react to. These ones look like just music videos really, and it's not really adding a whole lot of, wow, this is something I've never seen before. Everyone's seen a music video. Now, uploading once a week is good enough for a start, but YouTube recommends on a watch time basis. If you don't have much to watch, or people click off like I just did, it's going to be hard to grow. Though looking at your viewer numbers, it seems that you really have a niche. Don't squander it. These numbers are not normal for a small channel. Keep it going.
And you the fried durian.
Fried durian.
Because I know
This video is better, but to make it look better, consider picking up a decent camera. At least something like a Canon or a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera. It'll make this area look less blown out and cheap. But remember,
Production value!
production value, production value, production value. It is so important.